Once you are in the download, you can first see that how you can install OpenFOAM. We are interested in OpenFOAM version 2412. Once you open that, you will see that you have options for different operating systems. We are interested in 22.04. There you will see how you can install using sudo apt. First you have to add the OpenFOAM repository to your apt-get. So copy that command and press enter, and then once that is done, then you can type sudo apt-get update, and after that you can install OpenFOAM default. So there are various commands that you can use, and that gives you different user groups. So one is minimalistic, so we are going to do the version which gives you everything.